All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm always looking to enhance my protein intake. And I know that many of you do the same because we understand how important protein is. Now, one of my favorite ways is using a good, clean whey isolate. The benefit of whey isolate is that it's 95% protein, so it's almost pure protein. And the filtration process removes almost all the lactose and casein, which means it's super well tolerated by most people. The problem is that most of the stuff that's really good is also really expensive. So I'd like to share with you a new product that I support, that totally checks out, and it has great flavor options. So hey, my name is Paul C. Tijerina, for those of you who don't know, although most of you watching probably know that already. And this video is about Clean Simple Eats protein powders, how to use it, how to order it, and also how to get 10% off and free shipping every time. So I had a private client reach out to me a while back. She uses the whey isolate that I recommend through Biotics, and she loves it. But she said, Paul, I love the Biotics protein powder. It's clean, it feels good, but it's kind of expensive, and honestly, the flavors are kind of boring. And I was like, oh, that almost hurt a little bit. But she had a really good point. Now, I always recommend Biotics whey isolate. And I like to give my people some options from Amazon that are a little bit cheaper where the ingredients check out. But there just aren't that many options. But I finally found an option that's good quality, cost effective, and it tastes great. And this is Clean Simple Eats protein powders. Now, one of the reasons that I love Biotics whey isolate is because it's cold filtered, which means that it keeps a lot of nutrients intact that you might lose with other protein powders, especially some immune enhancing nutrients called immunoglobulins. And because it's micro cold filtered versus just cold filtered, it removes even more of the lactose and casein, which is why it's really well tolerated. Now with Biotics whey isolate, you're looking at about $2.80 per serving or per 20 grams of protein. Now, Clean Simple Eats whey isolate is cold filtered, so it does keep a lot of those nutrients intact. It's a little bit more cost effective and it has amazing flavors, but it also has more ingredients. They all check out, but they could be problematic for some people. And it's not micro cold filtered, so it may have a potential to have a little bit more lactose and casein, but it's definitely worth a shot. Clean Simple Eats whey isolate comes in at $1.80 per serving or per 20 grams of protein. So this is what I personally do. I take 1 scoop of Biotics whey isolate and I mix it with 1 scoop of Clean Simple Eats whey isolate. And that way I get the benefits of both. I save a little bit of money and it tastes freaking amazing because the flavors from Clean Simple Eats are awesome. So if you're interested, I'd highly recommend giving it a shot. We have a special link and a special discount code that will give you 10% off every purchase. And if you order over $100 worth of product, you'll get free shipping. And pro tip, I'd recommend first ordering the variety pack so you can check out all the flavors, see if you tolerate it well, and also see what flavors you like before ordering some of the bigger bulk packages. Now, questions, comments, feedback, even snide remarks, you can send it my way. And as always, keep it real.